So we're having to leave the beach because it's suddenly got really dark. But we're going to go and find a cocktail bar, aren't we, Emily?
It's very clear over there, look. You normally can't see all this. You can see the boat, don't you?
Strange, isn't it? That's so weird.
You get beyond those.
Yeah, well. But all the other days we've been here, we haven't been able to see. And now it's like really clear, and then behind us it's so dark. So I feel I've still got a bit tan today. What, are you going to get a cocktail sangria?
Depending on the price.
Yeah. So it's about lunchtime, isn't it?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. And it's got so dark, the outside lights are coming on. But some of these hotels along here, or apartments, are really nice. Yeah. The wind's now picked up. This isn't good, is it? So, that is a hotel, isn't it? Yeah. Bloody hell. I don't know if you can just go into there, do you? Don't say you can't. We urgently need to find a bar. Panic on the street. We are actually getting quite wet now. Right, what's that there? Is that where we're going?
Yeah. That's hard.
Yeah, should we go down? Should we go there now?
Go there now.
Why? There was a couple of bars next door to it, wasn't there?
You can smell the rain.
There's a bar there.
Yeah.
Should we go over there?
For everyone's going.
Yeah. Even if we have to stand up for now.
There's something that way.
Just looking. It's only getting a bit worse.
My flip flops.
Oh. Oh my god. This is different level.
Oh, get me out of here.
Don't stop. you said, oh, we're used to it. I don't think we're used to rain this heavy. Where is our hotel? Down here, is it?
Oh, that way.
Not too bad, actually. I might have to get changed in the room. Yeah. So. I didn't know cars could come down here. Didn't know cars could come down this bit. Where is it? What's that?
Outside our hotel.
What's that?
On the section.
Umbrellas. Where is... Are we even going in the right direction here?
Where's the Alcudia Hotel? Is that supermarket?
Is it? It's actually flooded the streets, isn't it? That's what I'm saying. There's soup. That's our supermarket, not that one. So we're. That's the hotel there. There's our hotel there.
How are we going to get in?
We'll have to go in the front way, aren't we? But it's nice to come on holiday when it's sort of dry, isn't it?
Are we going across?
Yeah. There's a coach though. I might go off to the room and get dried off. It's actually a river. You enjoying your holiday?
I said it's a good job this is a tea tree.
Yeah.
Imagine it.
Have you got the key for this bit then? Yeah. I suppose they're wet now anyway.
Oh, what's the money?
Don't be silly. Oh, I thought you said you lost it. Can't say I've ever experienced rain this heavy. Look.
How are we going to get in?
Just go walk up the stairs. Should we get dried off and then come and have a couple of drinks at the bar? I can't go in ideas, can I?
Everyone was like...
Just got back to the hotel room, or balcony. You can see it's still absolutely chucking it down. Hopefully, yeah, it clears up later today. It's having a huge flash of light here. So, yeah, day 3 of rain, and now some holiday to Majorca. Getting out of hand now. How are we crossing this?
Well, I'm running through.
We have to go through it.
This is silly.
I think it's warm.
Now I'm enough straighty flip-flops. But do you know what? At least we're alive.
Yeah, at least we're on holiday.
And we're not at work.
Yeah.
And there's cocktail bars.
And this is the last bit of rain we've got now for our
Look at
trip.
the view ahead.
Looks good with the sun glistening on it. We had a little cocktail there the other night, didn't we?
I wasn't keen on my cocktail kit.
No.
It might be just because I chose to...
I thought it was expensive for what it was.
Yeah. Mine was like a melony. A melon.
Yeah.
I think it's called Sexy Boob.
That hotel looks quite nice though.
Yeah.
Got a pool by the beach. Bloody hell. Must have been heavy raining yesterday, worse than I thought. The volleyball courts are actually flooded.
It's the aftermath.
Yeah. No volleyball today, I don't think.
No, although the kids are playing that be Alfie next year.
It will.
Isn't it?
Yeah. He will be doing exactly
Let's
that.
hopefully it won't be raining.
No, I think we've just been very unlucky.
Or very lucky.
Yeah.